What's going on, guys? HowToAdvance back with another video. And today I'm going to show you how to make the best chocolate lava cake. If you stay until the end of the video, you will be able to learn these techniques and be on your way to applying them. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe, and check out the description box below. Now let's get into the video. How to make the best chocolate lava cake. Prep time, 10 minutes. Cook time, 14 minutes. Total time, 25 minutes. Yield, 4 or 6 cakes. Here's what you need. 6 ounces, 170 grams, high-quality semi-sweet chocolate. 1/2 cup, 115 grams, 1 stick, unseasoned butter. 1/4 cup, 31 grams, general-purpose flour, spoon and leveled. 1/2 cup, 60 grams, sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 2 large eggs. 2 large yolks of eggs. Optional toppings include ice cream, raspberries, and/or chocolate syrup. Instructions. Non-stick cooking spray and cocoa powder are sprayed into 4 6-ounce ramekins. This ensures that the cakes will come out of the ramekins easily when inverted onto a plate. Alternatively, spray half of a 12-count muffin pan with cooking spray and dust with cocoa powder. When baked in a muffin pan, the recipe yields 6 cakes. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 218 degrees Celsius. Chop the chocolate coarsely. In a medium heat-proof bowl, combine the butter and chopped chocolate. Microwave in 10-second increments on high, stirring after each, until completely smooth. Place aside. In a small mixing bowl, combine the flour, confectioner's sugar, and salt. In a separate small bowl, whisk together the eggs and egg yolks until combined. Pour the flour mixture and eggs into the chocolate bowl. Stir everything together slowly with a rubber spatula or wooden spoon. If there are any lumps, use your whisk to gently remove them. The batter will be somewhat thick. Fill each ramekin or muffin cup halfway with chocolate batter. Place the ramekins on a baking sheet and bake for 12 to 14 minutes, or until the sides are solid and firm but the tops are still soft. The cakes only take about 8 to 10 minutes to bake in a muffin pan. Allow each to cool for 1 minute before covering with an inverted plate and turning over. Because those ramekins are hot, use an oven mitt. The cakes should easily release from the ramekin. If you used a muffin pan, remove the cakes with a spoon and place them upside down on plates. Toppings are optional. Serve right away. Make ahead and freeze. You can proceed to step 4 after preparing the batter. Refrigerate for up to 2 days, tightly wrapped. Allow to reach room temperature before proceeding to step 5. The baked lava cakes can be frozen for up to 3 months. Allow them to completely cool before freezing. Microwave to reheat. Glass mixing bowls, a rainbow whisk, a muffin pan, ramekins, and baker's chocolate. Chocolate. Use high-quality chocolate rather than chocolate chips. There won't be much lava with chocolate chips. High-quality chocolate baking bars, such as Baker's, Ghirardelli, Nestlé, or Lindt, can be found in the baking aisle. They're usually sold in 4-ounce bars, so you'll need 1.5 bar total. Eggs. 2 whole eggs plus 2 egg yolks are required for this recipe. Use the 2 extra egg whites in an omelette or any of my egg white recipes. After 10 to 14 minutes in this hot oven, the eggs should be cooked to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, which is considered safe for consumption. If you're worried, you can take a temperature to be certain. Thank you for watching the entire video. Good luck and stay tuned.